How to change product key in Microsoft. So if you want to change product key in Microsoft, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up any of your Microsoft applications, and you can go with the top right, which has that profile option, and then go with sign out. After that, it might ask you for a restart. So you just need to simply click on restart and restart your Microsoft Office, or you can restart your Excel. Once you restart your Excel, then you won't have an account, right? So you just need to simply go with the top right, which will have the sign in option. You just need to simply go with sign in, or you can also go with options, which is here on the bottom left, or the account option. And under account here, you will have an option to add the product key, or you may also have change product key right here, even if you don't sign out. So you just need to simply click on change product key and then enter a new product key. And after that, just hit the enter and your product key will be changed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.